welcome to my channel where today we have a Just Fab unboxing. I'm super excited because with my VIP membership, my first pair of boots were $10 and this is what that is. So I'm super excited to see how they look. But this card says, "Dear VIP, as a VIP member, you are now part of a community of over 2 million women connected by a shared passion for chic shoes and individual style. We're so excited to have you as part of our Just Fab community. If you have any questions, we're available 24/7 by phone or online. XO, the Just Fab team." And then it says, "P.S. We bet your new style looks #Fab on you. Tag or mention Just Fab online on Instagram for a chance to be featured." I will do that, Just Fab. And then it tells you about how the membership works, which is something I will go over on my own because I'm sure you guys would love to get to the boots by now. So on that note, we've got our handy dandy box, which I really loved that it came in a box separately from this, because when I opened it, I was like, yes, I didn't get to see the box. I can still unbox it with you guys. So we got our Just Fab and we open it. And this is the boot, which they've got a little divider there so they're separated. They've got the buckles already covered, which I'm going to unbuckle them so we can get the full effect. Or not unbuckle, unwrap. They protected everything really well. The zipper is only halfway up. They look like a really decent sized pair of winter boots. But I will get the other shoe out of the tissue paper. So on that note, I'm unwrapping the buckles on this one too. These are so cute. I'm already gushing over them. I'm just gonna make sure that, oh, there's more. Ow, hit my elbow. I love how well these are packaged. This really protects them well. Let's see here. Oh, now if I remember correctly, the sales price was $65 for this. But they've got the nice little buckles. They've got a nice design. They already feel so warm. And they've got this wool around the edges to kind of add a cute detail to them with the crisscross design in the front. I absolutely love these boots. They're probably one of my favorites. I will say that when you're shopping for your $10 pair of boots, it gets very difficult because every boot I was clicking on was saying, "This is not your size. This is not your size. We're sold out." And I was kind of disappointed by that, but I needed a good pair of winter boots. I really love boots. So this is the perfect thing to do for me. But on that note, I appreciate you guys joining me. Please join me for more of my content. If you like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe. Thanks. See y'all later. Bye.